Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please subscribe, like, comment, do anything. It helps out and I appreciate it. Sorry I've been gone for a while. I had some personal stuff going on and haven't been making videos, but I got some stuff to show you. We got a new car. First off, got this 65 Mustang, 66. Sorry, it looks like it's a little too bright out. I'm trying to use a GoPro. On my last video, I used a camera phone, so I wanted to talk about the Civic. The Civic I haven't worked on because I never got the motor from the machine shop yet, but it's kind of here in hiding right now. And then I got a K24 for the Del Sol lately. I want to show you my new project. It's really fun to drive and I really like it. But it is a 2008 Mazda MX-5, and I know I said I want to do autocross and stuff like that in the last video, and it's pretty much the perfect car for it. I did new wheels on it. They're the Flying Miata wheels. Look pretty good. Made by Koenig. Sorry the thing's filthy, but we'll get to that. We got a lot of new parts to install. Changed all the fluids, got new brakes, better pads. So we'll do all that stuff. Probably not today, we'll do that in another video. But today I'm going to show you guys how to put on the Moroso expansion tank, because the factory ones end up cracking over time, which will lead to overheating. And then I got the power steering reservoir also that we'll put in quick. Shouldn't take too long, but I just wanted to show you guys the process of putting everything in. I got a fluid extractor that we're going to use. We're going to pull the coolant out, and then we'll do the power steering, and we'll unbolt it all and throw the new stuff in. So let's get started. Alright guys, so this is what we're going to get rid of. This coolant overflow, or coolant expansion tank, and then this power steering tank. So we're going to open it up. Don't do this while it's hot. Then we're going to start draining it. Get all that coolant out. I'm a little messy, sorry. Sorry car, but it'll be all good. We gotta be getting close. And there she is. So I'm probably going to start by taking this out. Let me grab a rag quick so I could wipe off all the stuff I splashed all over. Alright, so I'm going to take these clips off, pull this quick, which goes really nowhere, it's just an overflow. Then I like to grab a pick, if I can. Just kind of help get those off a little. Don't tear it. Alright, we got that off. This one just needs transferred over. Then it looks like we got 3 10mm bolts. Pop those out. Then I believe there's one hose underneath. Well, there is. So we'll get that out quick. But I wanted to get this out of the way so we could deal with this quick too. Yep, so there is one big hose down there. Alright, I'm making a mess. So I'm going to drain this real quick. Good enough. Alright, so it looks like we got 2 hoses. Yep, 2 hoses going into that. Grab a different pair of couldn't find the ones I want, so we're gonna go with these big ass channel locks. Pop them up quick. Alright, let's unbolt this so we don't make a mess everywhere. I see 2 10mm under the air box. And I think there's one going up underneath, which kind of sucks. But, we got swivels and all that stuff, so we'll figure it out. So it's all 10mm bolts. I need a longer extension. It's probably easier to remove the airbox quick, which I think that's what we're gonna do. No, let's see. We'll try. Alright, so I found the cap. Unfortunately, it went down behind the radiator shroud, so that was fun. But now we can hook up this the coolant one, and I feel like I'm missing a line now. Yeah, I am somewhere. Where'd it go? Oh, took that off to see if I could see anymore. There it is. We'll leave it for now. All right, let's get this hooked up because it's leaking all over my floor. Got that one hooked up. Alright. I'm gonna just wipe down these hoses a little. I just don't like coolant all over my car. Be careful where you set stuff in this thing. And I got it backwards. Wasn't paying attention. All right. Throw some bolts in it quick. Some nuts. Maybe. It's hard to get your fingers in there. Alright, so we're about done. Not a big job, unless you drop your cap. And that looks right. So we'll just hook these back up. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, that's pretty much it, guys. Besides draining besides filling everything back up, but it's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. It's pretty straightforward. I didn't make a huge mess, but it'll fill it up. I've read some people on the sight glass, some people said they filled it halfway, and by the time it heated up it was full. But then some people said they filled it all the way cold past this sight glass here, and they said nothing overflowed or anything, and it always stayed that way. So I'm probably going to do it that way. I just want to make sure I have plenty, and if I have too much, it'll go down the overflow. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I want to show you guys more stuff on this if we can, and I'll get another video out this week on the 66 Mustang. Gotta do shocks and fix some leaks on it. But other than that, I think we're good to go, and hope you liked it. Please subscribe, and I'll get some more content for you guys. Thanks. Bye.